Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $1,000 a month online as a broke beginner. So if you're someone out there who's looking to get started online, you want to make money, but you are broke, then this is the strategy for you because anybody can use the strategy to generate income online, regardless of how much money you have right now. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is you need to find a product to sell. The best way to get started is to look into affiliate marketing. So the platform ClickBank actually provides you with affiliate products that have already been created by other people that you can now promote and earn a commission. So simple, guys, and it's free to join this platform. So head over to clickbank.com. You can do a search on Google and it's going to bring you straight to the website where you can register for your free account. And then when you come to the marketplace, all you're literally doing here, guys, is you're just searching for the products that you want to promote. So let's say you're interested in promoting products in the dog niche, for example. I'll just do a search with the keywords dog, okay? And then as you can see here, there's about 20 results of products, guys, that are currently dog related. Brain training for dogs, the dog way online, hope for healing liver disease in dogs. These are products that other people have already created, guys, and other people already have the bulk inventory that you can now start promoting as your own, guys. Okay, so easy to do. And again, like I said, it's free. This one can pay you up to $110.20. So let's take a look at a product, for example, and see if you were in the dog niche, for example. This is a dog probiotic now, guys, that you can easily recommend to your audience and make money. Okay, this is a product that you don't even have to create yourself. And look, they actually have monthly shipment bottles, which means it's a product that can continue to make you money every single month, because every single month when they run out of their supplies, they're going to come back to buy more products. And when they buy more products, guess what? You are earning a recurring commission just recommending people to these products. Okay, so this is something that you can do as a complete beginner. You don't have to go out there, buy a bunch of inventory in bulk and then try to resell it and then keep a little tiny percentage profits. There's no risk because you're not buying anything in bulk. You don't even have to create the product yourself, and you can just buy a product that is already been, created by someone else. They already have the fulfillment, they already have the inventory, and then all you're doing is just presenting this product to your audience, guys. It's honestly that simple. So if you're someone out there who's been looking to get started on the internet, make money, but you don't have the money to get started right now, this is free, guys. ClickBank is free. And once your account gets approved, you're going to be able to go to the marketplace and promote as many products as you please. And then if you wanted to promote that product, all you have to do is just hit that promote button, and then it's going to generate you guys what we call a hop link. That hop link is your unique referral link, guys. That's your affiliate link that you are going to be using now to promote this product. Okay, so you really want to take note of that referral link, because that's what you're essentially going to be using to promote and recommend these products to other people out there on the internet. And every time somebody buys this product, guys, you are going to earn a commission. They even have an affiliate page here, as you can see. And the affiliate page actually comes with, usually comes with things like banners that you can even use to promote. Look at that, guys, 75% commissions. That's how much money you are making for just sending people to this product. You're actually making more money than the actual creators themselves, which is just insane. Another platform that you can find products to promote, guys, is Digital World Flippers. Now, Digital World Flippers is an amazing digital product platform where you actually get to buy the product and then you can resell that product over and over and over again as your own. So you can see right here at Digital World Flippers, you can buy an ebook for as little as $15, guys. There's even templates and planners that are, I think there's even some for like $7. Look at that, $10. You can literally buy a digital product here, wedding planner for $7, guys. You can buy a wedding planner here, for example, and then that gives you full rights to resell this product over and over and over again as your own. Okay, the difference between this and promoting an affiliate product is the fact that you keep all the profits, all the money goes to you. Okay, so you're not splitting your commissions. It's not going to be 75% commissions. You're going to be making over 90% commissions, because this is now your product and you're basically just purchasing the license and the rights to resell this product as your own. And it's a one-time investment, guys. So if you've been looking into selling digital products, this is a great place to get started. There's a ton of ebooks, guys, in so many different niches that you can purchase, and then you have full rights to go out there and actually resell these ebooks as your own. Charge your own prices, guys. You can even get your own affiliates to go promote these books books for you, because now you are the owner of the product, which means that you get to make the rules. Okay, so this is not a great place to find products to sell, guys. You can just go to Digital Wealth Flippers, get a product here that is of interest to you or is in a niche that you're interested in, and then start reselling this product. You're going to get access to all the files, okay, or the digital files that you can now go out there and start selling to your audience and making money. Okay, and when you join Digital World Flippers, guys, you also gain access to all the marketing trainings to help you sell these products, promote these products, and make money. Okay, so guys, if you're interested in getting your products for sale, then I recommend you check out Digital World Flippers. The profit margins are much higher. You only invest a one-time fee, and then you can make money selling these products over and over and over again. Okay, guys, so now you have your products ready for sale. The best place to start marketing those products and getting customers is none other than social media. So today we're going to be talking about TikTok. Now, I'm not a TikTok expert, but I can tell you that there's a ton of people on TikTok right now, just like you, making a killing promoting digital products. So here's an example of my TikTok account that I currently use right now to get free leads to my business every single day. It's a very small account. I'm not very consistent on this account, to be honest. But even at that, look at the views, guys. I'm getting hundreds of views, which is just amazing. It's getting a ton of engagement. And most importantly, I have a link in my bio that takes them to a digital course that I'm actually selling right now. So this is something that you can easily do, guys. You can create a TikTok account. It's free to create. And then you can start promoting, different, you can start uploading different videos, sorry, around the product that you're selling. So if you were trying to promote a dog product, of course you want to have more of like dog type related content within your, on your TikTok feed, for example. So it could be entertainment dog type reels. There's a lot of there's a lot of that type of content, guys, that you can easily repost on your page, right? So if you just go here and just search dog memes or whatever the case may be, let's do dog memes, you can easily just go on your TikTok, guys, now and repost this content on your TikTok account. It's really easy to do, guys. Really, really easy. There's a ton of these memes that are circulating on the internet right now that you can use, repurpose this content, guys, and literally use that to grow your account. And because it's entertainment, it just becomes easier for you guys to attract people who have an interest in dogs, right? So you're promoting the dog product, so you want to be uploading dog related content, and then in the link in your bio, that's going to obviously have the link to your digital product, or it's going to have a link to your ClickBank product that you're currently promoting right now. So guys, this is how easy it is for anybody to use social media to promote products and generate passive income on the internet. You don't even have to go out there and create your own product. If you guys wanted to sell digital products, like I said, less than $20, you can still invest and have your own digital product ready to go. You can set your own prices. You earn over 90% commissions, guys, or profits selling those products, because it is essentially your own product. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.